Hello everyone. Today today I welcome to my tutorial of WPS spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to automatically scan a spreadsheet to fit in one printed page in WPS spreadsheet. First of all, to illustrate what I'm talking about, I have a spreadsheet here that has a bunch of data, and I'm going to use print preview function to show you what this page will look like, what the spreadsheet would look like if I will send it directly to the printer. So I press the print preview. Notice when I do that, I have my page landscape and things seems to look pretty well on this page. However, down here it says page 1 of 2, and scroll down, if I scroll down to look at second page, you will see I have this 7 column which have essentially breed over into a second printed pages more often than not. When you go print this, you really don't want to have these two pages because the second page looks rather rejoined. It is hard to tell how it line up with the first page. Ideally, you did like all this data to be presented as neat as possible into one single page. We have a couple quick way to do that in WPS. We will show you how to do that. Now, what I'm going to do is from this home tab, I am going to click over page layout tab, and on the page layout there is a section here called page zoom, and you can see here that we can scale the overall size of the image of spreadsheet itself by the percentage, or we can scale the height or the width to scale across a certain number of printed pages. So for example, I come here, I can change this now to 95, and then I will go back to my print review, and I notice it still say one page of 2, and in other words, it really has not changed much in terms of the printing, because nothing becomes small enough for us. to fit it into one printed page, so we can go back sky down again. So we scar to 80 and check again. So now we still are page one of two, but still got four column left on the second page. In other words, we have structured it down enough that now only only four columns. If we strip it to the point where we could fit the entire spreadsheet on one printed pages. Of course, this is a bit of a tricky way to do this continually, knocking it down by a few percent, then go back to look at the print preview to see if this is really the size that we want in order to fit it on a single page. So you can do this in a much faster manner if you tell it that you want the Y here to be scarred to one page, and for good measure we are going to tell it to print height tag no matter how much content exists in this spreadsheet. We are going to make sure it fits within one page. So now we have to adjust to 60. Sorry. So now you can see it's page one of one. So all the content is fit in one page. By the way, if you want another easy way, we can show you another easy way to do this. So also in the page layout tab, page zoom, fit shape on one page. Just click this button and look at the print preview. It is also page one of one. So by the way, if you use the first method, you can free to adjust your font size. But if you only use the simple click on fit shape on one page, it has only a fixed size that the the computer set set down. So this is my introduction of the function of page zoom. Thank you.